again. Oh my god. You only Oh my god. I always do this. So I'm gonna give you wings, okay? So I'm to your wing, okay? Oh, I forgot. Turn it off. I and I need some milk in here, so don't be quiet. So I'm gonna take it in. Like, she just wash it. Like, yeah, she wash it. I'm just copying my avatar, and my hair is blonde. So, and the real life is I'm a Filipino. Like, no, so you and like the tempted to watching about Ramadan. Yeah, Ramadan. Because I'm Muslim and please like and subscribe and comment. Okay. I'm gonna watch it later when I have everybody can't wash it. I'm gonna get yesterday and oh, I forgot something. I'm begging. Like my last video is like so many views. I mean, Yoga, I was struggling. I like the views because it gave me so many, like, I don't know, 1 billion or nothing, but I don't know. I like it so much. So I'm excited and I'm happy that she really asked me when somebody asks something, you can ask me in the comments, ask it in the comments, and you will say what she's not college, but be quiet because she have office, but her she's a day off. She don't have office now, like yeah. And you don't when you don't like it, the house. I'm sorry, I cannot do that. Like I forgot to do it. So thank you for watching.